Hello and welcome back to Loaves and Dishes. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how easy it is to microwave a baked potato. We're going to cook a baked potato in the microwave from start to finish, and it's only going to take like 10 minutes. Before we get into today's video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it when you subscribe. It means a lot, and we love all of our subscribers. So, and a little bit about me. My name's Sarah. I have been doing cooking, whether it's working in a restaurant or a food content creation in some form, for at least the past 10 years. And my big cooking deep dark secret is that I cannot bake a potato in the oven. I've worked in several restaurants. I can cook all kinds of stuff, but I cannot bake a potato. And so for me, this is like the best way to make a baked potato, and that's by putting it in the microwave. And it's so easy, and it doesn't take very long at all, and I just think that it's better than trying to bake a potato in the oven. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash this, and then I am gonna take a fork, I'm gonna poke some holes in it just all the way around, and then I'm gonna put it in my microwave for about 10 minutes. For a potato this size, it's gonna take about it might take a little bit longer because it's a little bit bigger. I'm gonna put it in for 12 minutes. Usually like 10 to 15. If your potato is really big, put it in for 15. If your potato is a little bit smaller than this, 10 minutes is all you're gonna need. So we're gonna wash it, we're gonna poke some holes in it, and then we're gonna put it in the microwave. I'm not gonna show myself putting it in the microwave because my microwave is dirty, and I don't wanna show you the inside of my microwave. I will show you anything else in my kitchen. It's always a mess, but I'm not showing you the microwave. Okay, let's wash and poke some holes in this potato. I don't know if you can see all the places that I've like stabbed the potato, but it's been stabbed. My potato is washed. I've poked holes in it. The reason that we poke holes in them is because potatoes have a lot of water content, and you want to make sure that the steam can be released because you don't want your potato to like explode or something. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave. I'm gonna microwave it for about 12 minutes, and then I will be back. And there you have it. It's super, super easy to make a perfect baked potato in the microwave, and it only takes 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of your baked potato. So, if you want to see more videos like these, be sure to subscribe, and if you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out loavesandishes.net. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye! You had squeaker squeaky toy, didn't you?